I just had the opportunity to spend a few minutes with Karl Wadensten, president of Vico Vibrators, and also the closing keynote at our 20th annual Northeast Lean Conference, held this year at the Rhode Island Convention Center in Providence, Rhode Island. Take a listen as Karl shares a few gems from his upcoming keynote entitled Passing the Baton to a New Generation of Problem Solvers.
So think about, the lean conferences you've had. And I remember one year you had everybody every day, right? Remember
Yeah,
that? With the
yeah,
true today than ever, because this issue about people, this issue about, we have the 5 M's: man, method, machine, material, management. Well, all of those are frayed right now. All of the goal is to
yeah.
identify hot skills. And what hot skills are, it represents the talent premium that will be prioritized for a talent perspective, in contrast to traditional job roles. That this is dynamic and it's an ecosystem and it's living. Well, isn't lean all those things? And the silos, we've talked about these silos. We work well
Yeah.
inside the silo, up and down, up and down. We know Mary, we know Bruce, we know Bob, we can get it done. But once we have to go across everybody, we don't know those people. We don't know the way they work. We don't know the way they want work presented. And it's just a mess. And individuals need to consistently engage in reskilling, upskilling, and sometimes even outskilling. We want to create an ecosystem that supports continuous skills development and recognizes the rapid change in skills landscape. But Taiichi Ono, I think of it in the early days, his book Lessons Learned by Taiichi Ono, him pounding his fist on the desk, that meaningful work. Without meaningful work, you are wasting a human life. I mean, he had it. He had it there that people have to have meaningful work. So it's our job as leaders to figure out what's that meaningful work. How's it connect to the customer? How's it connect to us inside? How's it connect to our vendors? How's this whole thing connect and give meaning and purpose to it? Without that work, it's a waste of a human life. We are stewards of knowledge to young people. And if we don't do this globally and raise the knowledge level at each company, we're going to have to train people from ground zero. But if we're all training people, the knowledge base will grow exponentially. You follow with me?
Carl, isn't that all what passing the baton is all about? It's
It really
such
is.
a great message. The Rhode Island Convention Center in Providence, Rhode Island, which, by the way, is the home of American manufacturing, right?
The Industrial
Right,
Revolution.
right there in Pawtucket, Rhode Island.
100%. I'm really jazzed up about this because it kind of culminated everything we've been thinking and the questions that we have as an organization. And it really codified that we have a lot of heavy lifting to do, but it's right in front of us, Bruce. It's really right in front of us. And